Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Former Kaizer Chiefs co-coach Khalil Ben Yusuf has secured a move to Durban City FC, replacing Pitso Dladla as their new head coach ahead of the 2026-27 season. After helping Chiefs to secure a third-place finish in the league alongside Cedric Kaze, helping Kaizer Chiefs accumulate 54 points, their highest points tally since the 2020-21 season, in which they almost won the league. Durban City have shown faith in the 37-year-old to lead their project that's only entering the second season in the top flight, having been rebranded from Maritzburg United while in the second tier. It has been a fairy tale run for the club, winning the league, finishing in the top half of the Betway Premiership, and winning the Nedbank Cup, and qualifying for the CAF Confederations Cup for next season. And one of the key priorities in order to get a coach who is qualified to lead the team from the technical area. His experience expands over 12 years in various assistant coaching roles, with his analysis department working in his home country, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Libya, Tanzania, and Morocco before coming to Kaizer Chiefs. The club made an announcement via a statement on Wednesday morning, the 24th of June 2026. It says, the 37-year-old Tunisian tactician joins Durban City FC as the club embarks on a new exciting chapter following a historic period of growth and success. A holder of the CAF A license, Ben Yusuf brings extensive coaching experience from across Africa and the Middle East, having worked in Tunisia, Morocco, Tanzania, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates. He has developed a strong reputation for his tactical expertise and commitment to building competitive teams. His coaching journey has seen him hold senior tactical roles at AS FAR Rabat, Young Africans SC, Club Africain, and Al Ahly SC. Most recently, he served within the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs, gaining valuable insight into the demands and competitive nature of the Betway Premiership. As Durban City FC prepares for an exciting 2026-27 campaign that includes the Betway Premiership, domestic cup competitions, and the CAF Confederations Cup, Ben Yusuf's appointment reinforces the club's commitment to long-term stability and continued football excellence. Durban City FC chairman Farouk Kadodia reflected on the club's decision to appoint Ben Yusuf. He says, Khalil is a coach with strong experience, excellent tactical knowledge, and a clear understanding of the modern game. We believe that he is the right person to lead the next phase of Durban City Football Club's journey. Over the past 2 seasons, we have built a strong foundation, and our focus is now to continue growing the club both on and off the field. We are confident that Khalil possesses the leadership, character, and football philosophy required to help us achieve our ambitions. And we are delighted to welcome him to Durban City FC. That's the statement from Durban City FC. And Ben Yusuf expressed his delight in joining the reigning Nedbank Cup champions, saying, I am honored to join Durban City FC and would like to thank the chairman, the board of directors, and everyone at the club for the trust they have placed in me. This is an ambitious club with a clear vision for the future, and I am excited to begin working with the players, technical staff, as we prepare for a successful season ahead. My focus is on building a competitive team that reflects the value and ambitions of Durban City FC. That's Khalil Ben Yusuf. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this appointment by Durban City FC? Are you impressed with this appointment? And do you think that is the right man to replace Pitso Dladla? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, Golden Arrows have announced the appointment of former Durban City FC interim coach Pitso Dladla as the club's new head coach following the departure of coach Manqoba Mngqithi. Dladla has been with Durban City even before it was rebranded from Maritzburg United to Durban City, spending most of his time there as an assistant coach. And in February, he took charge on interim basis after the KZN outfit sacked Snathemba Badela, who lasted only 3 games in the role. And Dladla led the team to the Nedbank success, defeating TS Galaxy in the final. Meanwhile, Arrows secured their first top 8 finish since the 2020-21 season, but somewhat surprisingly parted ways with head coach Manqoba Mngqithi. And on Wednesday morning, the 24th of June 2026, Golden Arrows released a statement which says, "We welcome head coach Pitso Dladla to the club. Stande Nation welcomes you." That's the statement that Golden Arrows released. Dladla's first official game in charge will likely be the MTN8 quarter-final clash against Kaizer Chiefs, ahead of the 2026-27 Betway Premiership campaign. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this appointment by Golden Arrows to appoint Pitso Dladla as their new head coach? Are you impressed by the move? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.